Poll-bound West Bengal TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee has levelled a poaching charge against BJP ahead of 2021 assembly elections. Kalyan Banerjee has said that West Bengal leaders are dancing to the tune of money. He also said that some are negotiating with the BJP for the post of Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister. That's one charge that is coming in from the TMC, a poaching charge against the Bharatiya Janata Party in the run-up to the West Bengal Assembly elections. Piyush, my colleague, also joining us with more details. Now TMC coming out, levelling a poaching charge against the BJP that some are now jumping the ship because of the post of the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister and the greed around the same. Piyush.
Well, Krishnan, this is now coming out at a time when BJP leaders there in the state of West Bengal are now claiming that many MPs and MLAs are in touch with BJP, and now Kalyan Banerjee coming out and saying that, leveling poaching charges. He is now saying that the BJP ahead of 2021 assembly elections, is now trying to poach the leaders of TMC. They're also saying that there are some leaders who are dancing to the tune of money. He further added that some are negotiating with the BJP for the post of Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister. It's very important to highlight as to how there are many TMC leaders, the MLAs, MPs are not happy with the kind of functioning of the party in the state of Bengal. That's why many are switching their parties. Some of them joined Congress-led alliance also. So instead of taking actions or not, asking its leaders to be in line, they are now leveling allegations on BJP. They are saying that leaders are being poached and greedy.
Yes. Well, on one hand, it is a setback after setback for the TMC, with several from the TMC switching over to the BJP. Kailash Vijayvargiya also very recently, Piyush, if you remember, said that at least 41 MLAs from TMC are in touch with him and are unhappy with the TMC leadership as well. Quickly listening into the latest allegation being levelled by the TMC, the poaching allegation by the TMC against the BJP. Listen in.
BJP টাকার থলে নিয়ে আসছে নরেন্দ্র মোদী অমিত শাহ 4 কোটি 6 কোটি 8 কোটি 10 কোটি 15 কোটি 20 কোটি बोले नाच मेरी बुलबुल या पैसा मिलेगा नाच मेरी बुलबुल या पैसा मिलेगा और बुलबुल रा सब नाचছে बोले अरे चलो 8 কোটি পাবো 10 কোটি পাবো 20 কোটি পাবো মুখ্যমন্ত্রী উপমুখ্যমন্ত্রী কেউ ছখানা মুখ্যমন্ত্রী 16 খানা উপমুখ্যমন্ত্রী আর কতগুলো ভাসছে জানেন তো জায়গাটা এখনো ঠিক করতে পারছে না বার্গেনিং এ এখনো আসছে না কোন জায়গায় হবে বুঝতে পারছে না যাব না যদি যাই কিন্তু উপমুখ্যমন্ত্রী হওয়ার আর সুযোগ নেই একটু দেরি হয়ে গেছে 16 জন উপমুখ্যমন্ত্রী হয়ে গেছে 6 জন মুখ্যমন্ত্রী হয়ে গেছে কি করব ঠিক করতে পারছেন এখন